Hello, good morning to all. I am Suvarna Hubare. The statement of problem is to evaluate pollution tolerant capacity and biochemical studies in Ceratophyllum demersum and Icornia crassips. The present piece of research work is initiated on aquatic plant species which are useful in pollution control. The aquatic plants are critical to our freshwater ecosystem. Many people misunderstand the importance of aquatic plants. The presence of native aquatic plants around ponds and lakes is not bad. They can provide many advantages to the aquatic ecosystem. Aquatic plants can provide food for many animals such as ducks, geese, juvenile fish, and amphibians. Ceratophyllum demersum, Iconia crassip, Nilumbo nucifera, Hydrilla, verticillate, Piscia stratiotes are some of the aquatic species example. The common water hyacinth are vigorously grow and mat can be double in size in 2 weeks. According to my idea, role of plants, Ceratophyllum demersum and Icornia crassips in pollution control. Observation will be held on the role of these plant species in controlling water pollution. The water sample will be collected and amount of heavy metals will be detected from water as well as plant used during the research work. Biochemical analysis with respect to water pollution tolerant capacity, plant and water sample will be analyzed to estimate the capacity of these plants pollution to tolerate pollution. According to the methodology, uh, identification authentication of plant species will be proceed. Field strip will be made once in week to find out the aquatic species and their ecological features. Field observation were recorded like habit, habitat, association, and frequency of that plant in the field. Available local names as well as flowering and fruiting periods of investigated taxa. The plants have been identified from freshwater materials with the help of different floras, Nike and Cook. The collected specimens were poisoned, pressed, dried. After drying, the plants were mounted on herbarium sheets and labeled properly for future use. The plant were authentication from Bamu herbarium. The phytoaccumulation of inorganic pollutant, that is the Icornia crassips. There is a process of wastewater treatment using Icornia crassips. The step will be followed. The process will be followed in some steps. That is the collection of effluent discharge from wastewater. The wastewater is collected in 200 ml of BOD bottles. Then laboratory analysis of water quality parameters in sample. Then growing Icornia crassips in collected water sample and in constructed wetland. Then laboratory analysis of treated water with the help of phytoaccumulation of inorganic pollutants by Icornia crassips. The result will be shown in tabular form. Finally, pollutant removed or restored as a drinking water quality. Some conclusions are find out. Ceratophyllum demersum and Icornia crassips play a very significant role in removing pollution and making environment green. This plant helps in soil erosion and our lakes and ponds. These plants also help stabilize the sediments together. This helps increase water clarity and reduce amount of pollution entering the waterways through sediments erosion. The research work will be revealed the plant Icornia crassips could be potential candidate for removal of various organic pollutant. Thank you.